Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about archer push-ups. Could you do archer push-up with the beer blocks? Let me show you if we could or not. If you don't know what archer push-ups are, or if you haven't done them yet, let me show you what they look like real quick first. Archer push-up is like when you do your regular push-ups, right? You do your regular push-ups, up and down motion. The archer push-up is from side to side, like this. You go from one side to the other side, just like that. Archer push-up is more difficult to do, so it's not going to be easy to do for everybody. It's way more difficult than the diamond push-up or anything like that. But if you have the beer blocks, it's going to be a little bit more easy. But like I said, archer push-up is very difficult, so I wouldn't try it on the first try. You might have to do start with your regular push-up, do like about 20, then you go to your diamond push-ups, then you go to your advanced level, which is the archer push-up. But in this video, I just want to talk about, can you do archer push-up with these beer blocks? So let me show you real quick. So like I said before, the archer push-ups look like this. You go from side to side, just like this in the archer push-up. I'm not doing it perfect. I'm just doing it. I'm just showing you real quick as a demonstration. Same thing with these right here. You're gonna put them wide width apart, and you're gonna come and you do your archer push-up just like that, and it makes it a little bit more easy. Kind of like you're cheating, but at the same time, you're getting in that really good exercise with the archer push-ups. So I just want to show you that real quick. And yes, you can do archer push-up with these beer blocks right here. So I'm gonna put these in the description below. You could go to Amazon and check them out. They're called beer blocks on Amazon for like 50, 49 bucks on Amazon. So I'm put this in the link in the description below, and you could go there and check it out. But yes, you could. These beer blocks comes in handy if you're going to do any type of push-ups, diamond push-ups, incline push-up, decline push-up, archer push-up. So these come very handy. Okay, so go ahead and put it in the. I'm gonna put it in put the link in the description below, and go ahead and check it out. And I also have some other videos about these beer blocks right here. I'm gonna put it here or here. You can go ahead and check out those videos. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.